Dear nations of the United Nations, can you imagine a world where electric power is not a power for all?
Today, the real power comes from scientific research in subjects as diverse as artificial intelligence and molecular biology.
Right now, we have all the knowledge, technology, resources, and capability
to address almost every issue on the planet.
The only thing missing is a collective consciousness.
The will.
Thanks to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights,
Broad Declaration,
mankind is supposed to have the human right to science since 1948.
Womankind, too.
To face the present of the world, the problems of our daily lives.
As fake news, climate change, new viruses and diseases.
Artificial intelligence, clean energy, genome editing for humans.
And plant biotechnology must be a chance
for all.
Can you accept a world where it's only for few?
Unmet clinical need and virus emergency underscores
the need for appropriate investment in scientific research and medical facilities.
And the free circulation of real scientific information.
The world is one and has never been so small.
And what about artificial intelligence?
It should not only help governments to control us better,
or companies to improve their business.
It can help people too.
Every day, everywhere.
Every human, every man,
every boy, every girl
have the fundamental human right to enjoy.
Enjoy!
Enjoy
the benefits
of science,
its advancements, its applications.
Dear nations, you've been made by us, for us.
You must respect the freedom of scientific research and creative activity.
We are not talking about the moon.
We are talking about science as a human right in our world.
Let's enjoy science!
Let's take action!